Hello! New day, new bahay. Today, I'm going to show you a house here in San Fernando, Pampanga with a worth of 12 million pesos. Tara! So, ito po yung pedestrian gate niya and the facade. So, meron tayong 2-meter setback po dito if you want to do a gardening here. Tapos, meron tayong 2-car park garage for big full-size USD. Here. And here is our wooden door. Ang ganda ng wooden door natin. And naka-spark lock na tayo. Okay. So here is our living area. This is our living area. Ang ganda ng kanyang design. Ganda yung design niya. Pwede ito ng malaking TV. Kahit yung 100-inch TV, kasya po dito. And we have a breakfast nook here. Lagay lang po kayo ng high chair here. And this is movable. Pwede nyo pa siyang ma-move. And this is our provision for our kitchen. Yung ref nyo doon. Tapos lahat ng cabinet natin is ayan. Dito naman yung mga yung mga groceries nyo. Ayan. Dito sa likod, pwede nyo ilagay yung dirty kitchen. 3-meter setback to sa likod. Ayan. Pwede pa kayo maglagay ng maid's room here sa likod. Tapos enclose nyo na lang po. Okay, pasok tayo ulit sa loob. And here we have our powder room for your visitors. And meron tayong guest room here sa baba with French window. Yan. Ang ganda ng ng pagkakagawa. Sobrang linis. Yung guest room natin may sarili na siyang toilet and bath. Maluwang. Ang ganda ng finishes. Akit tayo sa taas. Ang ganda. I like this. Ito yung ang accent sa bahay na to. Ang ganda ng pagkagawa niya. Okay. So, dito muna tayo sa bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. As you can see here sa window, makikita nyo na yung highway. So, malapit siya sa MacArthur Highway. Meron na siyang wooden cabinet, built-in cabinet. Okay. And, meron palang, ito yung common CR ng toilet, ng bathroom, bedroom 1 and 2. Sorry guys! Ito. Ako'y nabubulol na. Ito ang bedroom number 2. Sobrang luwang. Morning sun. So, this is a morning sun. With French window as well. And mas malaki ang cabinet dito compared doon sa bedroom number 1. Doon na tayo sa master bedroom. So, here is our master bedroom. Sobrang luwang. French window with AC. Pwede kang maglagay dito ng ng TV mo. Here. Yung TV mo. Yan, dyan. Dito yung bed. Meron kang walk-in closet here. Built-in cabinet yan. Maganda. And here is your master bedroom. Toilet and bath. So guys, this house is only 12 million pesos here in San Fernando, Pampanga. If you want to see this house, if you want to view it, call the number above and see you on the next house. Bye!